Personal safety in urban environments. Strategies for navigating modern cities. Living in urban environments presents a myriad of challenges, including those related to personal safety. From bustling streets to crowded subways, urban dwellers must be prepared to navigate through potential risks and emergencies effectively. Understanding urban safety. Urban safety encompasses the ability to navigate through densely populated areas while minimizing risks and threats to personal well-being. Unlike rural or wilderness settings where dangers may be more predictable, urban environments pose unique challenges due to their complexity and constant flux. Factors such as crime rates, traffic congestion, and infrastructure vulnerabilities contribute to the need for heightened awareness and vigilance among urban residents. Key strategies for personal safety. Situational awareness. One of the fundamental pillars of personal safety in urban environments is situational awareness. Being mindful of one's surroundings and potential threats is crucial for identifying and avoiding danger. Urban dwellers should pay attention to their surroundings, including people, vehicles, and environmental cues, to assess potential risks and take appropriate action. Avoidance of high-risk areas. Certain areas within cities may have higher rates of crime or other safety concerns. Urban residents should familiarize themselves with their surroundings and avoid known high-risk areas, especially at night or when alone. This may include areas with poor lighting, abandoned buildings, or locations known for criminal activity. Safe navigation. Navigating through urban environments requires careful planning and awareness of potential hazards. Urban residents should choose well-lit and populated routes when walking or using public transportation, especially during nighttime hours. Utilizing maps, GPS devices, and smartphone apps can also help individuals navigate safely through unfamiliar areas. Personal security measures. Taking proactive measures to enhance personal security can significantly reduce the risk of becoming a victim of crime in urban environments. This may include carrying pepper spray or a personal alarm, avoiding flashy jewelry or expensive electronics, keeping valuables secure and out of sight. Additionally, individuals should always trust their instincts and avoid situations or individuals that make them feel unsafe. Emergency preparedness. Being prepared for emergencies is essential for maintaining personal safety in urban environments. Urban residents should have an emergency plan in place, including evacuation routes, communication strategies, and essential supplies such as water, food, and first aid kits. Regularly updating and practicing emergency plans can help individuals respond effectively to unexpected situations. Community engagement. Building strong connections with neighbors and community members can enhance personal safety in urban environments. Participating in neighborhood watch programs, attending community events, and sharing information about safety concerns can foster a sense of solidarity and cooperation among residents. By looking out for one another, urban communities can create safer environments for all. Continuous learning and improvement. Personal safety in urban environments is an ongoing process that requires continuous learning and adaptation. Urban residents should stay informed about local safety issues, crime trends, and emergency protocols through reliable sources such as local news outlets, government agencies, and community organizations. Seeking out self-defense classes, safety workshops, and other educational opportunities can also help individuals develop the skills and confidence needed to navigate urban environments safely.
Well, I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts with me. You know I always want to hear from you, and I will always try to answer back. This video has been chosen specifically for you based on your viewer history. YouTube says this is the one that you would most be interested in watching, so if you do me a favor, go ahead and click on it and watch it. Thanks very much.